Hello, this is my quick review of the 12-inch shower head which I bought on Aliexpress, and I have this product now for some months, I think 9 months, and what I saw is that already after 2 months it was starting to oxidate at the edges, as you can see. I tried to remove the rust, but yeah, it's too deep, it cannot be removed. You can see the spots also on the other side. So the shower head is functioning all right. It's a large shower head, 12-inch, but after some months it was not acceptable anymore. It was so rusty. So it was more rusty than you see now, because I already removed a lot of the rust, but as you can see it's still rusty, and there is oxidation which cannot be removed. So I would not advise to buy this product on Aliexpress. Keep your money in your pocket or buy another real brand. This was my review. Okay, bye.